Hey guys, it's Peter Apt here from Teaching with the iPad. Today I'm going to show you how to create some assets in Keynote for a Sphero AR Maker project. So I'm going to start by opening up Keynote and then selecting a new project by pushing the plus in the top right hand corner. Normally I just select black and then go down to the bottom left and create a blank slide. From here, I'm going to push the plus in the top right hand corner so I can then add a shape. In this case, I want to add a square because that suits the aspect ratio of the AR Maker app the best. Just go and center that. Now I'll go to the Photos tab and to Photo or Video. In this case, I'm selecting Favorites, and right down the bottom, I've got a little Sphero logo asset, which I want to tap and just put into the project. So from here, it's just a matter of resizing that. And there we are, ready to go. So now we're going to group the two images together. So we select and hold the background and then select the Sphero image. And you're going to see you've got some options there. One of them is group. At this point, we're going to remove the camera roll there. Now, if we swipe the dock up from the bottom, we can push and hold the photo app and drag it into split screen. And for me, this is the real magic part of the iPad, because what we get to do now is push and hold that image. It pops up and drag it in, and you'll see the little green plus, and it's now created a new asset for us that we can now use in our AR Maker video.